Hello everyone, this is going to be a Pixelhaze plugin guide for the Pixelhaze quick access menu for headings. This plugin is perfect for pages that have lots and lots of text content, and you may want to have a quick menu so that users can navigate through the content very easily. So first of all, I'm going to show you how you can purchase the plugin. The plugin can be found at pixelhaze.academy, and it's under our Squarespace plugins section. Back to the website. After you download your plugin, you'll be given 3 files. You'll have a CSS file, and in here you can configure the background color of the menu, the text color, as well as the color of the button, and how the button displays on hover. And then we've got a HTML file which will be put into the header of the code injection area, and some JavaScript that we'll be adding into the footer of the code injection area. Okay, so we'll start with the CSS. So we're just going to select all of this, all of the file contents, and then we're going to copy, head on to our Squarespace website, and we're going to go to Pages, Website Tools, Custom CSS. And then we're just going to paste all of that CSS in this custom CSS editor here. Okay, we'll save that. Go back to Website Tools, and then into Code Injection. Hop back to your file, and we'll grab the HTML file first. Select all of that, copy, and then paste into the header. And then finally, we'll add the last bit of JavaScript into the footer. So back to your files, into the js.html file here. Select it all, copy, back to the website, and then we'll just paste it in here. Now this is a really simple plugin to set up because we don't need to configure any of the files other than the CSS if you want to change some of the colors. Okay, so we'll just save that. And here you can see that it's added in a little menu to the bottom left-hand corner. So if I just go into the website preview, you can see in this page that I've created, there's a lot of text and headings of different sizes. So if we click onto the heading menu, you can see that they've all been added in here. So if we click on 4th heading, it will scroll us down to the 4th heading. And if we scroll back to 1st, it will take us to 1st and 2nd and so on and so forth. It's a very, very handy plugin to have if you've got a massive, big, long page of text and you want users to be able to quickly scroll through the text and get to the heading that they're interested in. Okay, I hope you found this guide useful. Thank you very much.